Hey, what's that, Sat?
This is the letter K, and it makes the K sound. Let's get learning.
Hiya! Hi everyone, it's Mr. Luqui and welcome to Learning with Luqui. I've just been practicing my karate.
Oh, hi there!
Ah!
Whoa! Nice karate skills, Mr. Luqui, but I didn't mean for you to fall over. I'm here to teach you today's sound. This is the letter K, and it makes the K sound.
The K sound?
To make the K sound, you have to remember it is a quiet sound. Keep your mouth open and the back of your tongue up. Listen to Mr. Luqui and see if you can make the K sound.
K. K. K.
Now you know how to say K.
Wait! But how do we write the letter that makes the K sound?
To write your letter K, you need 2 lines. Start your first line at the top and bring your pen down. Start your second line here, bring your pen in, then out and flick. Let's have another go.
Thank you for showing us how to write the letter that makes the K sound, Mrs. Luqui. Now it's challenge time. I'm going to show you 5 things. Then you and everyone at home have to find all the things beginning with K.
Okay, our master Sat has told us to find all those things beginning with K. And I'll need your help. Let's go!
Okay everyone, let's see which things Sat has for us today. We have a kettle, juice, keys, a house, and a kite. I'm going to give you 10 seconds now to find all those things beginning with K. Let's see which things begin with K. Kettle, keys, kite. Yes, we did it! We found everything beginning with K. Kudos to all of you!
Whoa! You passed my challenge! Now it's time for our reading challenge using the sounds we have learned. I'm going to show you a word and you have to sound out the word and read it. I know you and everyone at home can do it. Remember to look out for those sound buttons to help you. Good luck!
And here's our word! So, I'll need your help to sound out this word, and let's use those sound buttons to help us sound out the word and blend those sounds together. Are you ready? Let's go. K, I, D. Let's do it again. K, I, D. It says kid! Sat! It says kid!
Congratulations, Mr. Luqui and everyone at home, for blending those sounds together and reading the word. I think that one was a bit too easy. Here is another word that has the K sound.
And here's our second word. Let's do the same thing by using those sound buttons to help us. Are you ready? K, I, T. K, I, T. Sat! It says kit! It says kit!
Yeah! Well done, everyone. You sounded out and read those words really easily. You are superstars. But I've got to go now. Take care, everyone, and I'll see you next time when we learn another new sound. Bye, Mr. Luqui. Bye, everyone.
Bye, Sat! Thank you so much, Sat, for teaching us all about the k sound. But I've got to go now too. So let's recap what we've learned today with Mrs. Luqui, and I'll see you next time. Bye, everyone!
What sound did we learn today? This is the letter K and it makes the K sound. Can you all make that sound at home? Now listen out for the K sound in these words. Kangaroo, koala. Let's sound out this word together using the sounds we have learnt. K, I, Kim. Remember, if you enjoyed today's video, click the like and subscribe button. Don't forget the notification bell so you can see more of Mr. Luqui learning his phonics. Now you know the K sound. This sound's a keeper.